This is Series 503B, model RCM 100 DTAC. It's a 1 horsepower LEB mixer, high-speed mixer. It's got a top speed of 16,000 RPM. However, the full load speed may be around 10,000 RPM. Right now it's got a 12-inch long shaft, 5/8 in diameter. And it's got a 2-inch HSF and a 2-inch HSG blade. Alright, before you operate it, make sure that the digital meter reads 0 before you start operating. Usually you have to turn around and wait about a minute and a half before the tachometer recycle itself. Alright, right now it's stand still. Now Mario will increase the speed and slowly, and we'll go all the way up to 16,000 RPM. Yeah, go ahead, Mario. Alright, you see the tachometer now. It's moving, and it's showing around 2,000 RPM right now. Slowly it will go up to 16,000 RPM, and you can see the shaft is running through. No vibration. At the moment is over 16,000 RPM. Alright. I won't go any higher than that. Now he's turning the rheostat down, so the speed is slowly, and you can see that the shaft is running throughout. If you run into a resonant frequency, try not to keep the speed at that particular frequency. Try to go up or down and get out of that resonant frequency. Alright, otherwise it's a beautiful tool. It's used for a laboratory. It cannot run production, and it's very reliable. The only option we have now that you see is the CAN lock. Usually that doesn't come with. So the base unit is the stand, the motor, the shaft, the controller, and the tachometer, and the wiring. Alright, that should do it. Happy mixing.